Hello? Is this the internet support?
Yes, it is. My name is David.
Hello, David. My internet is not working.
I am sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
My laptop says no connection. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Do not worry, Emma. We can check it together.
I am very stressed. I need the internet for my work.
I understand. Please look at your router.
Okay, I am looking at it now.
What color are the lights on the router?
There is one small red light. It is blinking.
Red light means there is no signal from the cable.
Is the cable broken? I see no damage.
Please turn the router off for 1 minute.
I am pressing the button now. It is off.
Now wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it on again.
Okay, I am turning it on now.
Is the light green now or still red?
It is still red. This is very bad.
I see. I need to send a technician to your house.
Can you send someone today? It is very urgent.
I am in your area now. I can be there in 15 minutes.
Really? That is amazing. Thank you, David.
What is your address? Is it 12 Green Street?
Yes, apartment 5A. The door has a name, Emma.
Perfect. I am coming in my blue van.
I will wait for you at the door.
See you soon, Emma. Stay calm.
Thank you. I will see you in 15 minutes.
Goodbye for now.
Hello, David. Thank you for coming so fast.
Hello, Emma. It is my pleasure to help.
Please, come in. My office is this way.
Thank you. You have a very nice apartment.
Thank you. I work from home every day.
Working from home is great, but you need good internet.
Yes, without internet, I cannot do anything.
Let's look at the router again. Where is it?
It is here, under the small table.
The red light is still blinking very fast.
Does that mean the problem is big?
I need to test the signal from the wall.
Do you have a special machine for that?
Yes, I have this digital tester. It is very accurate.
What does the machine say?
It says low signal. The cable has a problem.
Is the cable in the wall or outside?
It can be both. Let me check the cable behind your desk.
There are many cables there. It is a bit messy.
Look at this yellow cable, Emma.
Oh, it looks like it has some small holes.
Do you have a pet? Maybe a cat or a dog?
Yes, I have a cat named Toby. He is very young.
I think Toby likes the taste of internet cables.
Oh no, Toby. He is a very naughty cat.
It happens often. Kittens love to bite wires.
Can you fix this yellow cable?
No, I must replace it with a new one.
Do you have a new cable in your bag?
Yes, I have a very strong new cable here. This new cable is very strong. It has a thick cover.
That is good. Toby cannot bite through this one.
I hope so, but please keep it away from him.
I will put it behind the plastic protector.
That is a very smart idea. It is safer for the cat, too.
Is electricity in this cable dangerous for Toby?
The voltage is very low, but biting it is not good for him.
I am glad he's okay. I will buy him a new toy.
I'm connecting the cable to the router now.
The lights are changing. Now they are yellow.
Yellow means it is starting. We must wait 1 minute.
I am watching the lights very closely.
The router is checking the connection with the office.
Is the signal good now?
My tester says signal high. This is very good.
Look, the light is green now.
Yes, the green light is the best light.
I am so happy. Can I try my laptop now?
Yes, please open your laptop.
I am opening it now. I am waiting for the icon.
Does it see the Wi-Fi network?
Yes, it says Emma_Wi-Fi. I am clicking it.
Type your password, please.
Okay, it is connecting. One moment.
Is the icon white now?
Yes, I am online. Thank you so much, David.
You are very welcome. I'm happy for you.
Now I can join my meeting. I have 2 minutes.
I will be quiet. I need to finish my report.
Thank you. You are a lifesaver today. The meeting is finished. It was a success.
That is great news, Emma. Was the video clear?
Yes, the video was perfect. No freezing at all.
I want to check the speed of your internet.
How do we do that? Is there a website?
Yes, go to fast.com. It is very easy.
Okay, I am on the website. The numbers are moving.
What is the final number on the screen?
It says 100 Mbps. Is that a good number?
That is excellent. Your plan is for a 100 Mbps.
So the internet is at full speed now.
Yes, it is perfect. You can watch movies in 4K.
I usually watch Netflix in the evening.
Now you will have no problems with Netflix.
Do I need to do anything else with the router?
No, just leave it on. It is very stable.
Should I turn it off at night?
No, you can leave it on. It uses very little power.
Okay, I will leave it. It is my new green friend.
Yes, a green friend is a good friend.
Thank you for fixing the cable so well.
I also checked the cables outside your door.
Was there a problem there too?
No, they were fine, but I cleaned the dust.
You are very professional, David.
I like to do a complete job.
My brother needs a new internet provider.
Give him our company card. I can help him too.
I will. I will send him a photo of your card.
Thank you, Emma. I appreciate that.
How much do I need to pay for the visit?
The visit is $30. The new cable is $10.
So $40 in total?
Yes, $40. Do you want to pay now?
Yes, I have my card here. Do you have a machine?
I have a small machine on my belt.
It says approved.
Great. I am sending the receipt to your email now.
I see it on my phone. Thank you.
Your contract is for 12 months.
Yes, I remember. I started it in January.
Do you want to upgrade to a faster plan next month?
100 Mbps is enough for me now.
Okay, no problem. If you need more, just call us.
Is the technical support open on weekends?
Yes, we are open 24 hours every day.
That is very good to know. I work on Saturdays too.
We are always here to help you, Emma.
I am very satisfied with your service today.
Thank you. I will write a good report for you.
What do you write in the report?
I write, problem solved, new cable installed, happy customer.
That is a very accurate report.
I also wrote, watch out for the cat Toby.
Yes, Toby is the little criminal.
I am putting my tools back in the bag.
Do you have many more visits today?
I have 3 more houses to visit this afternoon.
You are a very busy man, David.
Yes, but I like meeting new people like you.
Thank you again for your help today.
You are very welcome, Emma. Enjoy your work.
I have a lot of emails to send now.
Now you can send them very fast.
I will keep Toby away from the new cable.
Good luck with that. Cats are very curious.
I will put a small fence around the router.
That is a funny idea.
Here is your bag. Do not forget your tester.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot my most important tool.
I will see you if I have more problems.
I hope your internet stays green for a long time.
I hope so too. Have a nice day, David.
Have a great day, Emma. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I love my job when the internet works.
Being a technician is a good job.
This is so much better.
I am driving to the next adventure.
Thank you, David the technician.
Goodbye, Emma the artist.